stars hum low, a whispered tune through pines that lean to kiss the moon. Salt on the wind, a siren's cry, the wild coast calls, and so I fly. Wheels spin on the earth's old spine, past cliffs where the sea aligns. Oh, wild coast, take me home through shadows deep where waters roam. The bouzouki sings, the stars align. This ride is yours, and yours is mine. A flash of white, a golden flight. It cuts the blue, it stirs the light. Cypress bends where the trail grows thin. The forest breeze, it pulls me in. Shadows deep where waters roam. The bouzouki sing, the stars align. This ride is yours, and yours is mine. Every turn's a secret kept by stones that hold where giants slept. The sea speaks low, the forest sighs, the wild coast lies. It never dies.